Hello everyone, I'm Jonathan Shaber and this is Bushcraft Savage. In this series, I'm going to take a pile of sticks and turn them into an A-frame shelter. So smash that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's get to it. In this episode, I'll be building a simple lean-to frame that will be one of the walls in an A-frame shelter in later episodes. I need a really sharp knife, a saw, a roll of number 36 bank line, a tarp, and a pile of sticks. First, you want to stretch out your tarp. In this case, I'm using a drop cloth that I'm going to waterproof later on. So, let's go ahead and stretch it out. Now you gotta get your sticks. Wardrobe change. Oh yeah. Okay. All right, first when you gather up your sticks, you need to lay them out around the edge of your tarp so you'll know where you need to make your cuts at and where your knots are going to be at. To tie a timber hitch, what you're going to do is you're going to loop it over and you're going to wrap it like so. Then you're going to go around this side. And what you're going to want is a little loop that will slide. Now, you just place it on your piece of wood, tighten it down. Now, for the next part of now we get to start on our diagonal lash. For diagonal lash, yeah, the diagonal lash, diagonal lash, for you non-Harry Potter fans out there. What you're going to do is you're going to wrap 3 times in one direction. And come around. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to change directions. One, 2, 3. Now you got to do your frap. And what a frap is you just go around your whole lashing here to help tighten everything up. So go under, around, one, and pull back this way this time, 2, 3. 3. Pull it good and tight. Now, for the next part, we'll do the clove hitch. 1, 2, 3. Then cut it off. But that's not the clove hitch. Open the knife up. All right, for the clove hitch, what you're gonna do, go ahead and pull it back tight. You're gonna wrap it so it makes an X, like so. Then you're gonna take your tag end and you're gonna go under that X. Pull it tight. Now to finish it off, we're just going to do a simple overhand knot to lock it down. Make your loop, then just come back through your loop. Snug it up. And there you go. Diagonal lash. Now just do a diagonal lash where all your sticks cross. I must ask you a question. Who was the 26th president of the United States? Comment below. Okay, I'm tired of the if it ain't raining, we ain't training for today. I'm wet and I'm cold. If you enjoyed watching, like and subscribe. If you have any questions or just want to say hello, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you next time when I'll sew the loops onto the tarp and waterproof it. Later, everyone.